This video will be to replace the solenoid valve assembly on your dual boiler. Before you begin, make sure your boilers have been drained and your unit has cooled down completely before powering off and unplugging the machine. Remove all parts and accessories, including the drip tray and water tank. Let's begin by removing the 2 screws located near the brew head circled in red. Using a Torx screwdriver, remove the 2 screws circled in red. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the 2 screws near the water tank circled in red. Remove the top cover and the back panel. Locate the solenoid valve assembly in your machine. Disconnect the silicone tube from, then disconnect the colored wires. Unscrew the 4 screws circled in red. Then remove the solenoid from the machine. Insert the replacement solenoid valve assembly. Then insert the 4 screws mounting the solenoid in a crisscross pattern. Reconnect the colored wires to its proper location. Reattach the silicone tube back onto the top of the solenoid valve. Reassemble the back and top panel. On the back of the machine, use a Phillips screwdriver to reinsert the 2 screws near the water tank. Use a Torx screwdriver to reinsert the 2 screws towards the top. To complete reassembling your machine, reinsert the 2 screws near the brew head.